Greetings from the ancient site of Sayyod, which is located in Abdurrahman Jomi district of Khatlon region. Now, the staff of the National Museum of Tajikistan, we decided to come here to visit this ancient site and to tell you about the life, about the history, about the location of this site. And now I'm gonna tell you that this site was located in upper part, in some hill part of the today's ancient Abdurrahman Jomi district, and from both of the sides of the settlement city, it's small rivers, and even today we have seen here some canals, some parts of the ancient rivers. And even today, from this period, from here they found lots of interesting artifacts, which is proves us again about some ancient stuff of the Sayyod. And dear friends, now we're gonna tell you about some interesting facts about the history, about the tradition, about the culture of the ancient Sayyod, which is one of the main part of Tajik history. Follow for more information us. The site of Sayyod from the period of Kushanids for the first time was in 1947 by Belenitsky. Once he came here and found this area as an ancient period and as a excavation site, and later in 1959 Seyma, she came here and she added it as a main excavation site of the territory of Abdurrahman Jomi district. So here now we see that the excavation site territory, which is in a plain part of the hill. So here in upper part it was the part where the highest person of that time were lived, and in down part it was the main for population, for the staff of that time. So as we see, our team, our archaeologist team, they started their work from the early morning, and it should be noted that in 2021 from the June, starting from the 1st June up to now, the staff, the team of the archaeologist department, they're trying to excavate, they're trying to research, they're trying to find some main secrets of this town. It should be noted also that the staff of the numismatic and archaeological department, they're trying to make a plan that in this year they'll find much more secrets of this town, much more facts about this town. After the researching, after the excavation of them, in result time, in conclusion time, they'll announce some main facts of Sayyod site. It's about 2 months that the staff of the National Museum of Tajikistan, the Department of Archaeologists and Numismatics, we are working here, we are researching, we are excavating this site, and I can tell you that in 2 months we have found lots of coins, lots of coinage. For example, we have found 58 coins from 4 coinage of this area, and most of the coins of this coinage were from the period of Kushan era, from the period of Kushanites. All these coins, 58 coins which we were found from this area, it's the coins of the greatest kings of the Kushan period. It's Kanishka, Vimataktu, Vimakatvis, and etc. The oldest coin which we were found while we were excavating this area, it's a obol, it's a following obol of the Vimataktu, one of the rare coin in the world. The coins of Vimakatvis, in one side it's Shiva, the Lord Shiva, with the cow Nandi, the holy cow Nandi, and in other side with Vimakatvis by himself. And also the coins of Vimakatvis with some lords of that time, some greatest gods of that time, for example with the Nana, with god of sun, and other gods of which were mentioning in that coin of the ancient time. And I need to mention it that before restoration, before cleaning of the coins, we can not be sure that all of the coins belong to the kings of the Kushan period. But after excavation, after when we back to the museum, we can clean it, we can restore it, and in conclusion time we can with sureness tell you 58 coins of this site. Now in my hand I have the rare coin of Vimataktu. It's a drachma of the Vimataktu, and it's one of the, as I mentioned it, it's rare in the world. It's the second time in the history of the archaeology that while excavation found these kind of coins. The team, the staff of the National Museum of Tajikistan, especially the staff of the Department of Archaeology and Numismatic, we are working here since 2 months, and in this time we have found lots of coins, lots of rare coins of the period of Kushanites. Except the coins, we have found lots of ceramic tools, jugs, spoons, and also some jewelries out of the copper, bronze, expensive stones of that period. We hope that in future also we will find lots of interesting things, artifacts, jewelry, ceramic tools, coins, and we bring it to the Museum of Tajikistan. So dear friends, it was one of the days of the archaeologists of the National Museum of Tajikistan. So they got lots of artifacts, they got lots of findings from this territory. And now I can say that Sayyod, it's one of the most important ancient settlement sites of Tajik history. So from here, last about 1 month, the staff of the National Museum of Tajikistan are working there trying to find some pieces of the history. So today was one of the most progressive, one of the most interesting day of our archaeologists, because they found lots of interesting artifacts out of the beads, coinage, some biggest khums, it's biggest jugs of the country. And so every night when they're finding some interesting, some main artifacts, some most important artifacts from this side, from Sayyod territory, they're sitting near to the fire or somewhere near to the place of their work, and they're discussing about their findings, about their artifacts, about the history of this period, and also they're discussing about their future plans, about their tomorrow's plans, and they're making another progressive, interesting and important plan for tomorrow, that what they will do, what they will gonna do from tomorrow of the morning and up till the night. And of course it should be noted that Sayyod settlement, Sayyod side of the Kushan period, it's one of the most rich out of the artifact of the country. That's why the National Museum of Tajikistan, they decided to choose this settlement for archaeology working of the museum.